Looking down into little boxes, right? Can you see Homer Simpson as boxes? And just for example, if I was the guy that, I don't know if anybody's ever seen the original drawings of Homer Simpson. When if the show started, I think in 1990.
The first seasons.
The first,
for your first season.
well, the show, The Simpsons, started as little shorts in between this comedy show by a comedian named Tracy Ullman. And she met him somehow and said, I want you to do these little animations in between before we go to commercials and stuff like that. And he did these little quick shorts based on this. He did the, what's it called? Bunny Hell or something? He did a comic called something about bunnies in hell or something, but the one bunny had only one ear or something. Anyway, he was hired to do these shorts, and the shorts ended up becoming more popular than Tracy Ullman's show. But the first animations were real scribbly, and Homer Simpson looked real weird and awkward and stuff. And then so once it became an animated series, the studio that I ended up working for, Klasky Csupo, ended up doing the first 3 seasons of The Simpsons, and they had to go in and rebuild this character in a very accurate way. And this is how a lot of this stuff starts off, with these very, very basic shapes, such as these rectilinear shapes. And the reason I bring this up, Juan, bring me up that crazy character you designed, based on your roommate, right? So Juan, he did almost kind of a Homer Simpson looking dude. Is your roommate anything like Homer Simpson? Okay, so Juan created this character here, right? And you said he's a weightlifter?
Yeah.
But he's a weightlifter who drinks beer?
Yeah.
A little bit of beer, maybe?
Beer.
See? Okay. So I think it's a pretty awesome character, and I'd be great to have like a little short animation about somebody's goofy roommate that drinks a lot of beer and goes weightlifting. I don't know, what does he do then? What's his major?
No, he's not going to school.
Oh, he's not going to school. What does he do?
He's a cook.
He's a cook.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that might explain. What kind of food does he eat?
I don't know.
Do you talk to this guy?
Yeah, he ate everything. Everything he wants.
He'll eat anything. He's a vacuum cleaner. Okay, that's fine. So we're looking at this dude, and I'm looking at Homer Simpson's, and I'm saying, okay, the job of the animator, once they get this character, and you look at it and you go, does that remind you of anybody? Does that look like a character that'd be cool to watch on TV or on YouTube Shorts or whatever the hell it is? And I go, yeah, it'd be kind of funny because this guy looks like he's got a tank top that's seen better days, right? I mean, like when back in the day when I was an athlete, I could wear a tank top and not be embarrassed about it, right? And this guy, the funny thing about a lot of guys is they think, their mind thinks they're in better shape than maybe they are. I don't know. And that's what this guy's doing here, saying, I think I'm gonna wear my tank top so I can show off my guns, right? And unfortunately, he's got this, it's a little short now, and the gut hangs out of it. And that's not really, I don't think, terribly attractive. So that, to me, is kind of funny, but it's bringing out a human trait, the male who still thinks they got it, you know, that kind of thing. And Homer Simpson could have been from that a little bit. He could have been the ex-football jock or whatever. And he developed the beer gut and all that crap. So what you've got to do with this character is refine it now. My suggestion would be to do some things that might simplify him a little bit. And I guess where I would start with a guy like this is, first of all, you want to try to get a sense of how to draw him from a 3/4 view.
Well, he has another one like that too, right?
Can we see?
Well, this one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the, oh, so you try to draw a 3/4 view of this guy.
Yeah.
So these are his first, he's got, wow, this guy's something. This guy could be a great character. I could just, the guy just reeks personality, so to speak. He might reek, period, I don't know. So what you want to do when you draw this thing is you want to construct it very similarly to the way that I deconstructed Homer Simpson. I've taken the Homer Simpson, as you can see, let's do a little bit of a comparison here. Similar traits, right? It's got the beer gut and all that, you know, the kind of goofy, bulgy eyes, the kind of crazy nose. But it's still a little bit convoluted because you didn't really deconstruct it. So what you want to do is go through a process of taking your guy